Hey guys, what if I told you that most of these articles you are reading online are missing a secret sauce that makes Google, the AI, love them? So now stick with me because in this video I'm gonna show you and break down the new terminology in the plugin industry and the content creation all in all. That is GEO style. It's a game changer for creating your content that ranks, gets featured, and gets read by AI and humans alike. So first of all, what does it mean GEO, Riemann? GEO stands for Generative Engine Optimization. It's a fancy word, isn't it? But it's basically writing your articles and your content for AI powered search engines that are running the show right now in this AI era. Think Google's AI and the chatbots such as ChatGPT, Gemini, Grok, DeepSeek, and so on, and all that smart stuff. So it's not about keywords anymore. It's all about how you can structure your article and what questions you answer in your content and how useful and clear your content really is. In other words, just imagine you have a conversation with any AI chatbot. So we can take Google's AI, for example, and it's asking you some questions like, what the main question in your article? And what do people really know about your article and in this content? And can I get a quick and clear summary of your article or not? So GEO basically is just you giving those answers up front in a neat and concise and organized style that make AI understands and pull from. So now, why this GEO is important right now, Raymond, and why it works right now in the content creation industry, and especially blogging and article writings. So now, frankly speaking, now search engines are smart enough to understand and read your content, not just match words. So if your article actually answers real questions from people in a neat and organized and concise way, Google's AI is more likely to feature your article in some golden spots, like people also ask questions and AI summaries. And for sure, that means more traffic, more visibility, and of course, better results. So now, Riemann, how we can actually write your own content and your article in particular in this new style GEO. First of all, and simply, you've got to make your headline and the title of your article a question people also search for. So that's the main headline of your article. Secondly, you've got to, in the first paragraph, insert the immediate answer of this question, a direct answer. Not just go fluffing and go and answer some bullshit and something like that. Just immediate answer for this question. Then you've got to break down your article into different sections or some related questions to the main question. And of course, you've got to use clear and simple language, no fluff, and add some scenarios and examples to make your content more relatable. And of course, and the most importantly, at the last of your article, you've got to wrap it in a summary that is a concise and memorable summary. That way, AI would love you. So a good question comes up. How we can transform our old posts or old articles into this damning new style. So stick with me. You've got to go to ChatGPT, and here on ChatGPT, you've got to use a successful and smart prompt to turn your old blog or an idea to this amazing GEO style. And don't sweat it, I just leave this prompt for free for you in the first comment and description box, so you can download it completely for free. Anyway, this prompt like this one here, so you can take this whole prompt, okay, and copy and go to ChatGPT, then insert here this prompt. And of course, if you have this old article you've got to insert here in these in between brackets like this, or your idea or your title as you want. So like this one, for example, okay, copy and go chat GPT like this one. Okay, how to survive a peer attack, then go. And just in few seconds here you can find an amazing geo style paced article as you see. So here you can find this is the headline and the title of your blog, this immediate answer in the same style, and this is there are some related questions people also ask regarding this topic, as you see, in a beautiful connection between those sections. And the last one here you can find this in conclusion, or this final takeaway, or this golden summary would be used by AI, as you see. Surviving a peer attack depends less on the strengths and more on knowledge, and so on and so forth. That way you can create your own article as a guaranteed source for these answers and for this knowledge, as you see. So now let me show you another thing here that would be more important here regarding GEO style. I said earlier, your article must contain people also ask questions, or actually questions from real users. So AI just search for in your content these answers in a neat and structured way. So here you've got to use your titles and your content in your blog or something based on these questions or this intent user questions. But the better than going to Google also ask questions. So for example, regarding this previous example, how to survive per attack, here you can find this amazing section here, this golden box. People also ask. So you've got to create your articles for this, the first question, second question, third, fourth, and so on. So you've got to go for manual questions here regarding your topic and your niche, like this one. Okay, and of course, it's just it takes some time and effort from you. So I just give you a hand to help you more in this task. So I will give you an alternative to get huge amounts of these. People also ask questions regarding any topic you can think of. And that's by going to this website, Queryprofit Vault. Here you can get access to huge amounts of these real questions extracted from Google to build your own content based on GEO style. Here on Queryprofit Vault, you can find more than 50,000 Google Asked questions in about more than 90 highly demanded niches in roughly 4,000 hot and trending topics. As you see, this tool is paid. Here you can find two pricing plans, lifetime and annual plan. So you can find its link down below in the first comment and description box. Anyway, how this tool works, or this library, here just you can, after subscribing here with your plan, go to this select your niche. Here you can find huge amounts of these niches like autism, plugin, astrology, cryptocurrency, dormant issues, and so on. So for example, if my niche regarding is about gold or golf, for example, and here you can find this highly demanded and trending topics like golf lessons, for example, and open guide. Then you find here a beautiful map of these questions that are frequently asked from people here, as you see, like, can I learn golf in 3 months? And just you can find here some amazing questions related to this parent question. And for sure you can find a vertical view, dark, compact, as you see. So that way you can find all these questions to create your content using this GEO style. So for example, I can take this title, okay, copy, and now we can go to chat GPT as well and write my article, and also write my article using the same prompt about this topic. Okay, go. As you see here, here you can find this immediate answer for this question. No fluff, no bullshit, no dancing keywords, chasing long tail keywords or something. Just give concise and clear answers. And wrapping up with this summary, learning golf in 3 months is achievable with consistent practice and so on. Okay, that way you can create your own blog posts regarding this new style and this future style GEO. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.